Hello, my name is Michael Mays. I'm the CEO and founder of Quantum 9, and today we're going to talk a little bit about responding to an Illinois dispensary application deficiency. A little bit about the firm, Quantum 9. We're founded in 2012. We're headquartered here in Chicago, Illinois. We're a licensed expediter, a certified notary, minority-owned business. We have 66 consultants that work for the practice. We've submitted 81 applications in total, and we've been successful with 73 of them. We're one of the highest success rates in the industry for obtaining licenses at 90.12%. So what are the reasons why you would get a deficiency from the IDFPR? There's two main reasons that we've seen as being the most common. The first is social applicant status, which is worth 50 out of the 250 points, or there's issues with your principal officer form. So we'll dive into the social equity applicant status because it's the one that's worth the most. So within your principal officer forms and your social equity applicant piece, you really have to start with a cover letter that explains how you are proving social equity applicant status and those individuals that are part of the group that make this possibility. So the first is identifying your operating agreement and ensuring that those individuals have 51% control. There's four different ways in which principal officer can be a social equity applicant. The first is that they live in a disproportionately impacted area by the drug crime. Second is they have an expungible drug crime. The third is that 51% of your employees or more, at a minimum of 10, either live in those disproportionately impacted areas or have expungible drug crimes. But either way, you have to prove that these individuals live in Illinois for 5 of the last 10 years. And this can be done in a variety of different ways. You can provide utility bills, insurance forms, bank statements, pay stubs, or even school records. The next part of this video will talk a little bit about using the state portal and how to submit your PDF files to the state. Inside the deficiency email, you'll get a username and password as well as the PDF that you see here. Within this PDF, the most important thing here is this blue hyperlink, which will then take you to the login screen. Use the email and password that are in the deficiency email and enter it into this screen, and then you will have to update your password. Once that's done, you'll be taken into the folder system, and the first thing is you're going to want to click this IDFPR folder in purple, and that will then take you to your company folder. It'll appear in the same area, and then you just double click your company folder. That takes you to this upload screen. There's a couple different ways you can upload. One is from the upload button in the top right, or just simply drag and drop your files into that area. It's incredibly important to name your files correctly. So make sure that you have your EIN number and which BLS district that you'll be submitting it. So for Exhibit P, it would be Exhibit P underscore your full company name with or the EIN number, the deficiency, and then the region. Please refer back to the deficiency email. It gives you implicit instructions on how to name these files. Once those files are uploaded, that's pretty much it. If you still need help with submitting for a deficiency, please email us at info@quantum9.net. We offer a free 15-minute consultation on reviewing deficiencies and provide you feedback. If needed, we could be engaged to either rewrite entire exhibits or help you with your next submission. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to chatting with you. Hope this video was helpful.